안녕! How are you? It is getting hotter and hotter in Korea. So I was thinking, which food is good for this hot summer season? It should be cool, not hot, and should be easy to make, not complicated. So I'm going to show you how to make Ssamjang today. It is kind of Korean dipping sauce, which is mixed with red pepper paste and soybean paste. If you have been to Korean BBQ restaurant, you have tasted Ssamjang with Galbi or Samgyeopsal, pork belly. You can get Ssamjang at grocery store like this one. But today, I'm going to make special healthy homemade Ssamjang. Easy veggie Ssamjang. I've just named it. So, let's set the table. You will need soybean paste, red pepper paste, honey or sugar, sesame oil, minced garlic, some nuts, tofu, and vegetables like lettuce and kale. First, put 3 tablespoons soybean paste, 1 tablespoon red pepper paste, and 2 teaspoons of honey or sugar in the bowl. I'm gonna use honey this time. And put minced garlic in the bowl together. Next, I'm going to cut nuts into small pieces. I prepare walnuts, almonds, and pecans. You can use whatever nuts you have, less than 10 nuts enough. Nuts are source of protein and it makes Ssamjang crunch. So, put nuts in the bowl with 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and then mix well. Smells getting better. Next step is tofu time. First, wash tofu in the running water and cut it in half. And then mash up. You can skip tofu if you're hard to get, but by adding this, makes Ssamjang less salty. And tofu is good source of protein as well. Put mashed tofu in Ssamjang and mix well. Finally, we make easy veggie Ssamjang. You can taste just itself, but I recommend you to have some fresh milk with this Ssamjang. Prepare cooked rice and some vegetables like lettuce, romaine, kale of course is okay. And you know what the next step is? Wrap and eat. We call this Sam. Sam means wrap or wrap something. You can enjoy hot summer with this simple and cool Sam. Is there anyone who wants to make more special wrap with Ssamjang? Then follow me. Blanch the kale just for 10 seconds in boiling water. And wash it in cold water. Spread on plate and put bite-sized cooked rice and Ssamjang on the kale. And then wrap it like this, one by one. This can be good finger food. Then I'm going to taste it. I love this texture. Tofu is soft and nuts are crunch, so it is very interesting texture. And it is good to taste freshness of vegetables and deep taste of Ssamjang together. Today we make easy veggie Ssamjang and I show you how to enjoy Ssamjang as a meal. If this recipe is helpful, then thumbs up and subscribe my channel, please. See you then. Bye. 안녕.